welcome to the complete Facebook Marketplace dropshipping course here on Udemy. My name is Leon Chaudhry and I'll be your instructor. Now, before we start the course, I just want to give you some information about me. Again, my name is Leon Chaudhry. I currently manage a company called Teaching Hero, the world's largest online teaching agency. And I started my career not really in dropshipping or in business at all. I started my career in the field of science. I started my career at the age of 14 at the Free University of Berlin in the field of physics. Now at that time, I started working with something called ESR, electron spin resonance spectroscopy. Then afterwards, I won Germany's biggest science competition twice and also received the German National Environmental Award. Now at that point, I realized, okay, I don't want to be a scientist. I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to be location independent. I want to be somewhere and I want to make money and I want to live a free life. And right now I'm situated in Berlin, Germany, and my dream has come true, and that became true through dropshipping. I want to show you in this course how to build a successful dropshipping business from anywhere in the world. So basically, when you build this business, that you can manage it from anywhere in the world. So this course is, I think, the only course here on Udemy that really teaches you step by step how to build a dropshipping business with Facebook Marketplace. Now also, I want to urge one more point. If you have any questions at all in this course, you can message me at any given time. Just simply go to the Udemy Q&A section, or of course, you can message me at any given time via the Udemy messaging tool. So again, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for enrolling, and I hope you're going to have an amazing learning experience in this course.